just when you thought the Twilight Saga was over, it's back with a brand new bite. The Twilight Saga 6, the new chapter, is rewriting everything we knew about vampires, werewolves, and forbidden love. Is Bella returning? What secrets is Rensimi hiding? And who is the new threat rising from the shadows? Buckle up, sweethearts, because this next chapter might just be the wildest yet. What if I told you your favorite vampire saga is making a major comeback, but not how you think? Yes, Twilight is returning, but this time through an entirely new lens. We are talking about an animated Twilight series based on Midnight Sun, the novel that retells the original Twilight story from Edward Cullen's point of view. And this isn't just a small spin-off. Netflix is reportedly developing the project with Stephanie Meyer herself involved as executive producer alongside big names like Sanaa Daly from The Walking Dead World Beyond. This new series promises to dive deep into Edward's thoughts, emotions, and the darker inner conflicts that the movie barely touched. Fans will finally get to see the events of Twilight not just as a love story but as a tale of restraint, obsession, and the emotional turmoil of an immortal who is constantly torn between love and danger. While there's no official release date yet, early bursts suggest we might see it hit screens in late 2025 or early 2026, depending on how long the animation process takes. But that's not all. Special 20th anniversary editions of the original Twilight novels are dropping on September 30th. And with Lionsgate teasing more Twilight-related content for TV and digital platforms, fans are already theorizing. Will we see Renesmee's future, a showdown with the Volturi, or even more Cullen backstory? So one thing is clear, that the saga isn't over, it's just evolving. So if you are Team Edward or Team Jacob, now's the time to rejoin the fandom, because a brand new Twilight era is about to begin. If you thought the Twilight story had ended, think again, because this new chapter is just the beginning of something even darker, deeper, and more dangerous. Are you Team Edward or Team Jacob, or is there a whole new team to root for? Drop your theories in the comments, like if you're excited for the return, and don't forget to subscribe to Primeflix TV for all the latest updates on the Twilight Saga 6 and more epic movie news. Until next time, stay sparkly.